So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can make your Facebook friends list completely private. So there will be only two steps. The very first step is you have to first of all open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. This is the very first step. Keep in mind, if you don't do this, you will not be able to make your friends list private. So after opening App Store or Play Store, you have to go to this search button and search here Facebook and hit the search button. Now different apps will appear up. From here you have to find Facebook. So you have to tap on Facebook, and the very first step is you have to first of all update your Facebook application. If your Facebook app is not up to date, you will not be able to make your Facebook friends list private. After updating Facebook, the second step is you have to open up your Facebook account, and after that you have to go to your profile settings by going into your profile picture appearing in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next you have to scroll down here and scroll more until you get settings and privacy. And when you get into settings and privacy, the very first option in this list is settings. So you have to tap on settings and you'll be popped up with this menu. So you have to scroll here and scroll more until you find this tab, audience and visibility. The third option in this list will be how people find and contact you. Tap on it. And the second option in this list is who can see your friends list. So you have to tap on it. Now here you get different options. If your friends list is set to public, it means everyone will be able to see your friends list. And if you want only your friends to see your friends list, you can also go with the second option. And if you want to hide your friend list only from some people, you can go into third option and select the people who you don't want to show your friends list. And if you want only some people or some friends to see your friends list, you can go with the fourth option in this list, and you can select the people who you want to display your friends list and press the done button. And if you want no one to see your friends list, you can go with only me and press the save button. So this was it. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.